If you want to upgrade your work skills or learn a new skill without spending any money, free Google certification courses are the best way to achieve those extra skills. Here are 5 free Google certifications courses that are popular for upskilling. 1. Google Analytics Individual Qualification (IQ). This certification demonstrates your proficiency in Google Analytics. It covers various topics related to web analytics and data analysis. The Google Analytics IQ exam is free of charge and available at Skillshop. 2. Google Ads Certification. Google offers multiple certification exams for Google Ads, including search, display, video, shopping, and apps. These certifications validate your expertise in online advertising. To become Google Ads certified in a Google Ads product area, you need to pass the product area assessment that is available through Skillshop. 3. Google Digital Garage Certification. While not a single certification, Google's Digital Garage offers a range of free courses in digital marketing, career development, and more. Completing these courses can enhance your digital skills. 4. Introduction to Generative AI. This is an introductory level micro-learning course aimed at explaining what generative AI is, how it is used, and how it differs from traditional machine learning methods. It also covers Google tools to help you develop your own general AI apps. This course is estimated to take approximately 45 minutes to complete. 5. Google Machine Learning Crash Course. Developed by experts at Google, this crash course is designed to make machine learning concepts accessible and practical. Google offered several free certification programs that could help individuals upskill in various fields. However, please keep in mind that Google's certification offerings can change over time, so it's essential to check Google's official certification website for the most up-to-date information. Do like, share the information and subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell icon for such informative videos.